Welcome to Sharad V. More English School online lecture. Good afternoon, student. Yesterday we have learned how to calculate the mean by the direct method. Now today we will learn about the find out the median, but to find out the median of the group frequency distribution table. Now see the first question. Marks in the exams is given 0 to 20. Okay, and the number of student is 4, and the 20 to 40 the number of student is 20, and 40 to 60 the number of student is 30, and the 60 to 80 the number of student is 40, and 80 to 100 the number of student are 6. Okay, so here what is given, the marks in exam and number of students are given, and what is the question, find the median of the marks. Median of the marks का क्या find out करना, median. Okay, so now see the solution of the question. Okay, now yes, there are the two columns in the question. Now yes, in the solution there will be the three columns. Now first column the class mark, and second column for the frequency. So here in frequency what is given, number of student, and it is represented by fi, and community frequency less than type. Okay, frequency community less than type. Now the first we will write down the marks in the exam 0 to 20, and the frequency is 4, means number of student are 4, and 20 to 40 the number of student are 20. Okay, and 40 to 60 number of student 30, 60 to 80 the number of student are 40, and 80 to 100 the number of student are 6. So now find out the sum of the frequencies. So 4 plus 20, 24 plus 30 is equals to 54, 54 plus 40, 94, 94 plus 6 is equals to 100. So total number of students are 100 here. Now find out the frequency, cumulative frequency less than type. Okay, so here now how many students who score the marks less than 20? How many students are there who score the 20 marks and less than 20 marks? So there are the 4 students. So here we will write on the 4. And here how many students are there who got the less than 40 marks? So now see that 20 to 40. So here the marks obtained by the student is given in front of the class interval 20 to 40 is 20, and the class 0 to 20 these student also got the less than 20, 40 marks. So here we will add 4 plus 20 is equals to 24. Now yes, because the number of students who score the less than 40 marks are the 20 students which is written in front of this class interval, as well as the class 0 to 20. Okay, the number of students which are present in 0 to 20 class, they also obtain the less than 40 marks. So that's why 4 plus 20 this is equals to 24. Now see the how many students are there who got the less than 60 marks. So now here in front of the class interval 40 to 60 there are the 30 students, and these student got the less than 30 marks, as well as the class mark having the 20 to 40 that contain the 20 student, and class interval 0 to 20 contain the 4 student. All these students got the less than 30 marks. So here we will take the sum of the 4 plus 20 plus 30. So now already the sum of the 4 and 20 is taken as 24. So now 30 plus 24, so this will give you the 54. Now next one, how many students got the less than the 80 marks? So here the 40 student which is written in front of the 60 to 80 class interval, they got the less than 80 marks, as well as all the classes before this class interval also having the number of students that got the less than 40 marks. So now 40 plus now sum of the 4 plus 20 plus 30 is equals to 54. Already it is written here. So 40 plus 54 becomes the 94. Now how many students got the less than 100 marks? So there are the 6 students in front of the class interval 80 to 60, and other student which are present in the yes lower classes than 80 to 100, they also got the less than the 100 marks. That's why yes, here we will add 6 plus 94. So this will give you the 100. So there are total 100 students. Okay, now see the sum of the total number of students and the sum of the cumulative frequency is equals to 100. नाउ फ्रॉम द टेबल, अब टेबल से हम लोगों को यहाँ पे क्या करना है, ये लोअर क्लास लिमिट मीडियन क्लास डिसाइड करना है. ओके, बिकॉज द फॉर्मूला है इसका. फॉर्मूला क्या देखो मीडियन का, मीडियन इज इक्वल्स टू एल प्लस, मीडियन इज इक्वल्स टू एल प्लस एन अपॉन टू माइनस सी एफ अपॉन एफ इंटू एच, वेयर एल इज द lower class limit of the median class and n is the total number of observation, n is the total number of observation. So total number of observation divided by 2 minus cf. This cf is the cumulative frequency preceding the median class. ये median class के पहले की frequency है cumulative frequency, and this is the frequency of the median class into h is the class width. Okay, in the formula the all terms are explained as L is the lower class limit of the median class, n is the sum of the frequencies, and h is the class interval of the median class, f is the frequency of the median class, and cf is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Okay, so first you write down the formula. What is the formula? Median is equals to L plus n upon 2 minus cf upon f into h. This is the formula where L is equals to lower class limit of median class, and n is equals to summation of fi. Okay, means sum of the frequencies. Okay, or you can say the total number of observation cf. Cf is the cumulative frequency preceding the median class frequency, cumulative frequency preceding the median class, Okay, now what is left? f. F is equals to frequency of the मीडियन क्लास. ये किसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी है? मीडियन क्लास की. एंड h इज द क्लास विथ और क्लास इंटरवल ऑफ मीडियन क्लास. क्लास इंटरवल ऑफ द मीडियन क्लास. तो ये क्या है? ये टर्म्स है दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन द मीडियन. तो मीडियन इज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? एल प्लस एन अपॉन टू माइनस सी एफ अपॉन एफ bracket close into h. Okay, remember this. So n is equals to sum of fi, that is total number of the observation or total number of the or frequency you can say, or sum of the frequency you can say. Okay, and cf is the cumulative frequency preceding the median class, f is the frequency of the median class, and s is the class interval of the median class. Now just write down the note. When class intervals are not continuous, when class intervals are when class intervals are not continuous, then make it continuous. अगर क्लास इंटरवल कंटिन्यूस नहीं है तो वी हैव टू मेक इट कंटिन्यूस. ओके, तो दिस इज द नेसेसरी. नाउ सी द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नहीं सर, बैठे आगे नहीं बस. Okay, now yes, question number one. Question number one. See the question. The following table shows classification of the number of workers and the number of hours they work in the software company. Find the median of the number of hours they work. So now yes, this is the information of the workers which work in the software company and the number of the the daily number of the hours they work and the number of the workers. Now see there are the 150 workers who work 8 to 10 hours in that software company, and there are the 500 workers who work 10 to 12 hours, and there are the 300 workers who work 12 to 14 hours, and there are the 50 workers who work to 14 to 16 hours. And we have to find out the median of the numbers of hours they work. वो कितने घंटे काम करते हैं उसका मीडियन हम लोगों को फाइंड आउट करना है. तो नाउ सी द सॉल्यूशन. ओके, आई एम नॉट राइटिंग द क्वेश्चन. तो फर्स्ट कॉलम विल कंटेन द क्लास इंटरवल्स. पहला कॉलम जो है जो क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है ये क्लास इंटरवल्स है जो हॉरिजॉन्टली दिया है, उसको हम लोगों को वर्टिकली लिखना है. तो क्या हो जाएगा, इस डेली नंबर ऑफ आवर्स, daily numbers of hours. Okay, so now daily number of hours 8 to 10 hours. Okay, 10 to 12 hours, and 12 to 14 hours, and 14 to 16 hours. And see the classes are continuous. So here first class is ending with the 10, so next class is starting from the 10. Okay, and it is ending with the 12, so next one is starting with the 12. So here classes are continuous. यहाँ पे classes continuous है. Okay, now number of the workers. तो this is nothing but the frequency. ये क्या चीज है, frequency है. तो now frequency of 8 to 10, it is also given in the question horizontally, so we have to write it vertically. Now 8 to 10 hours, okay, 150 workers, and 10 to 12 are 500 workers, and 12 to 14 hours 300, and 14 to 16 50 workers. So here we can take the sum of the fi, and this is also called the n. So n is the sum of the frequency. ये क्या है, n sum of the frequencies है. Okay, so this is equals to now 500, 5 plus 5, 10 carry 1, 1 and carry 1 2, 2 and 5 7, 7 10. Okay, so number of workers are given here is 1000. तो उस कंपनी में काम करने वाले कितने वर्कर्स गिवन है, 1000. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द कम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. अब क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, कम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी लेस देन टाइप. ओके, cumulative frequency less than type. ये फाइंड आउट करना है अभी हम लोगों को. Okay, so now see how many workers are there who work less than 10 hours. So there are the 150 workers. How many workers are there who works less than 12 hours? So there are the 500 plus 150 is equals to 650 workers. Now how many workers are there who works less than 14 hours? So there are the 300 and plus 650 is equals to 950. Now how many workers are there who work less than 16 hours? 50 plus 950 is equals to 1000. Okay, so now see the total number of the worker here and total number of the cumulative frequency, yes, matches. So it means our additions is correct. ये addition क्या है हम लोगों का correct है. Now we have to find out the median class. After this we have to decide which class is the median class. Okay, now n is equals to 1000, means sum of the frequency is 1000. तो therefore n upon 2 means half of the number of observation is equals to 1000 upon 2 is equals to 500. Okay, so we got the half value of the observation is equals to 500. Now we have to check it, the 500th observation comes in which cumulative frequency. अब हम लोगों को क्या चेक करना है, एन अपॉन टू की वैल्यू जो है 500 आ रहा है और ये 500 किस कम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी के अंडर प्रेजेंट है. तो नाउ यस हियर इन द फर्स्ट कम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी देयर इज द ओनली 150, इन द सेकंड वन देयर आर द 151 to 650 observations are there. तो नाउ फिफ्थ 100th observation will fall in the 650 cumulative frequency. तो this will become your मीडियन क्लास. ये क्या हो जाएगा आपका मीडियन क्लास. तो जो भी n अपॉन टू की वैल्यू आएगी वो जिस कम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी में प्रेजेंट होगा दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज द मीडियन क्लास. तो द नंबर 500 is in the number 500 is in the cumulative frequency, in the cumulative frequency the number 500 is in the cumulative frequency 650. So therefore corresponding class 10 to 12 is the median class. Number 500 is in the cumulative frequency. So now yes, 500 is the half value of the total number of the observation. The fifth 100 frequency fall in the 650 cumulative frequency. So that's why this class will be called as the median class. अब ये क्या हो गया आपका median class हो गया. Write down as the median class. Okay, median class. Now write down the all informations. अब यहाँ से क्या लिखना है हम लोगों को, अदर इन्फॉर्मेशन. देयर फॉर एल, बिकॉज मीडियन क्लास इज 10 to 12 तो इट्स लोअर लिमिट इज 10, उसका लोअर क्लास लिमिट कितना है 10. एंड द फ्रीक्वेंसी एफ, फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द मीडियन क्लास इज 500. तो दिस इज द 500 and the cumulative frequency preceding the median class. So this is the median class and its cumulative frequency will be used in the formula. So this will be the CF. Okay, so write down the CF value. L is equals to 10, F is equals to 500 and CF is equals to 150. CF कितना हो जाएगा 150. ओके, कितना हो गया CF 150. नाउ H is equals to class interval of the median class. So now upper class limit is 12, lower class limit is 10. So 12 minus 10 is equals to 2. So L value is 10, F value is equals to 500, CF is equals to 150, H is equals to 2. Now use the formula. Median is equals to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. Now L value is equals to 10 plus n upon 2. N upon 2 is equals to 500 minus CF. Now CF is 150 upon F. तो L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. Now L value is equals to 10, n upon 2 value is equals to 500 and CF is equals to 150, F is equals to 500 into H. H value is equals to 2. H की वैल्यू कितनी है 2. So this is equals to 10 plus. Now solve the bracket first. 500 minus 150 is equals to 350. 350 upon the 500 into 2. Okay, so this is equals to 10 plus. Now yes, 0 0 get cancelled. 5 7 ja 35, 5 10 ja 50. So now we got the 7 upon 10 into 2. So this will become 10 plus 7 2s are 14, 14 upon 10. So 10 plus 14 upon 10 is equals to 1.4. So this will become 11.4. It is equals to 11.4. So now here the median is equals to 11.4. Write down the answer in words. Okay, the median. Hmm. Okay, the median of number of hours is 11.4. Okay, जो median of number of hours they work is 11.4. Now always remember that the value of the median will not be less or more than the lower limit and upper limit of the median class. Now here the median class is 10 and 12. जो इसका मीडियन क्लास का लोअर लिमिट 10 है, अपर लिमिट 12 है, तो जो वैल्यू आएगा मीडियन का ऑलवेज क्या होगा, इसके बिटवीन ही होगा, इससे ग्रेटर वैल्यू नहीं आएगा और इससे लोअर वैल्यू नहीं आ रहा। अगर आपको यहाँ पे कोई आंसर ऐसा आता है जहाँ पे क्या हो, ये जो वैल्यू आ रहा है मीडियन का वो क्या हो, लोअर वैल्यू से लो हो और अपर वैल्यू से हाई हो, इट मीन्स यू हैव मेड सम मिस्टेक इन द सॉल्यूशन। तो यू हैव टू चेक योर सॉल्यूशंस वंस अगेन। उस टाइम क्या करना है, फिर से चेक करना है। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 ऑब्जर्व करो केयरफुली। सीधा क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। Okay, see the question. The frequency distribution table shows the number of mangoes tree in a grow and their yield of mangoes. Find the median of data. Find the median of data. Now number of mangoes 50 to 100. So now there are the 33 which yields the 50 to 100 mangoes. Okay, now there are the 30 trees which give the 100 to 150 mangoes fruit, and there are the 90 trees which give the 150 to 200 mango fruit, and there are the 80 trees who give the 200 to 250 mangoes, and there are the 17 trees which give the 250 to 300 मैंगोज फ्रूट। ओके, एंड फाइंड आउट द मीडियन ऑफ डेटा। अब इसको क्या करना है, हम लोगों को इसका मीडियन फाइंड आउट करना है। ओके, तो फर्स्ट वी विल राइट डाउन द नंबर ऑफ मैंगोज विच इज रिटन इन द हॉरिजॉन्टली, we will write it vertically, and then we have to write down this frequency means number of tree in the vertically. Then we have to find out the cumulative frequency less than type, and then we have to find out the median class, and then we will get the L value, we will get the C value, CF value, we will get the F value, we will get the H value. Okay, तो now first make the table। अब टेबल बनाना है हम लोगों को यहाँ पे। तो देखो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इट्स सॉल्यूशन। तो नाउ फर्स्ट कॉलम कंटेन द नंबर ऑफ मैंगोज। ओके, नंबर ऑफ मैंगोज, और उसके बाद क्या होगा नेक्स्ट, नंबर ऑफ द ट्रीज, कितने ऐसे ट्रीज हैं जो उतने मैंगोज क्या करते हैं, यील्ड करते हैं, देते हैं प्रोडक्शन में। और लास्ट कॉलम विल कंटेन द कम्युलेटिव कम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी लेस देन टाइप, लेस देन टाइप। ओके, अब हम लोगों को क्या करना है, देखो ध्यान से। फर्स्ट ओके नाउ सी द फर्स्ट नंबर ऑफ द मैंगोज, कितने मैंगोज के नंबर है। फर्स्ट 50 to 100 मैंगोज, नाउ देयर आर द सच 33 ट्रीज है। नेक्स्ट जो है 100 से लेकर 150 तक, ये कितने हैं 30। नेक्स्ट 150 टू 200 मैंगोज देने वाले जो ट्रीज है वो क्या है 90। एंड 200 टू 250 यस नंबर ऑफ मैंगोज देने वाले ट्री जो है वो 80 है। एंड 250 से लेकर 300 तक का मैंगोज देने वाले 17 ट्रीज है। नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द cumulative frequencies, क्या फाइंड आउट करना है cumulative frequencies। now see how many trees are there who give the less than 100 mangoes। okay so now yes there are the 33 trees। now how many mangoes trees are there who give the 150 less than 150 mangoes, so there are the 30 plus 33, so 30 plus 33 is equals to 63 mango trees। and now how many mango trees are there which gives the less than 200 mangoes? So 90 plus 63 is equals to 153. So there are 153 such trees which give the less than 200 mangoes. Now here, yes, how many trees are there which give the less than 250 mangoes? So 80 plus 153 is equals to 3 plus 0 is equals to 3, 5 plus 8 is equals to 13, carry 1, 112. So there are the 233 such mango trees. Now how many mango trees are there which give less than 300 mangoes? So there are 17 plus 233 is equals to 250 trees. Now yes, take the sum of these also. 7 plus 3 10, carry 1, 9 or carry 1 10 10 6 16 16 and 1 17 17 20 25. So the number of trees are 250. Okay, and here the sum of the cumulative frequency is also 250. So both matches, it means our addition is correct। okay now from the table we have to decide that which is the median class। अब देखो क्या है ये n वैल्यू, n इज द सम ऑफ द फ्रीक्वेंसी, n क्या है उसमें सम ऑफ द फ्रीक्वेंसीज है n इज इक्वल्स टू 250, n is equals to 250। so therefore n upon 2 is equals to 250 upon 2, 250 upon 2, so this is equals to 125। okay n is equals to 250, so therefore n upon 2 is equals to 250 upon 2 is equals to 125। so n value is equals to 125। so now we have to find out 125, the number 125 is in the cumulative frequency, is in the cumulative frequency, is in the cumulative frequency। now yes see the table, the 125 number is in the cumulative frequency 153, किस पे है ये 153 में है। 125 किस में है 153 में है 153। the 125th observation or number is in the cumulative frequency 153, so therefore corresponding class तो उससे रिलेटेड जो क्लास है जिसमें 153 जो सॉरी 125th फ्रीक्वेंसीज आ रहा है वो 153 में आ रहा है, उससे रिलेटेड जो क्लास है 150 टू 200, 150 से लेकर कितना 200, दिस विल बी योर मीडियन क्लास। तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 150 टू 200 इज मीडियन क्लास। okay now median class is decided, so from the median class we have to take the value of the L, that is lower class limit, so therefore L is equals to lower limit of the median class is 150, so L value will be 150। okay now frequency of the median class F। अब इसके बाद हम लोगों को क्या लेना है देखो ये आपका क्या हो गया, ये मीडियन क्लास, मीडियन क्लास. नाउ दिस फ्रीक्वेंसी is F and this is the CF, cumulative frequency before the median class. ये CF है. Okay, so write down the all the information that is required in the formula. L is equals to 150, F is equals to, now what is the F value? F value is equals to 90 and CF, cumulative frequency preceding the median class is 63. Okay, so write down the 63 here. नाउ एच वैल्यू, एच वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है हम लोगों को. तो व्हाट इज द एच? इज द क्लास इंटरवल. नाउ क्लास इंटरवल ऑफ द मीडियन क्लास इज 200 minus 150 is equals to 50. Now use the formula median is equals to L plus, median is equals to L plus in bracket n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. So now this is equals to L value 150 plus n upon 2 value, n upon 2 value is equals to 125 minus CF, CF value is equals to 63 and F value is equals to 90 into H, H value is equals to 50. Now open the bracket, 150 plus 125 minus 63, so 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. Now 2 minus 6, so we have to borrow from the next number, so this will become 12, 12 minus 6 is equals to 6. Okay, so this will be equals to 62 upon 90 into 50. Okay, now 150 plus 62 upon 90 into 50, now cancel out 0 and 0. Okay, 150 plus 62 into 5, so 5 2s are 10 carry 1, 5 6 are 30 and 1 31 upon 9. Okay, so 150 plus, now cancel 310 by 9, 9 1 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 9 3 ja 27. Now 31 minus 27 is remainder 4, 4 and 0 become 40, 9 4 ja 36. Now again remainder is